Marcy. Oh, did you find your squeaky toy? Did you find your squeaky toy, Marcy? What's that? What's that, Mars? Are you happy, dog? Oh, see, I love squeaky toys. Marcy, hello. Hello. Take a cookie? Cookie? Oh. Marcy, hello. Oh, she's so gentle. Marcy is just so cute. She's so happy all the time. Aren't you? See, I'm just so happy all the time. Aren't you? Marcy. Marcy, are you happy, dog? Are you happy, dog? You love that squeaky toy. Oh, good girl. Good drop it. Here. Want a cookie? Say, I'll drop it for a cookie. Oh, come here. Can you sit? Oh, say something fell. Marcy, can you sit? No, see, I don't even know how to sit yet. She needs somebody to teach her some things. Oh, this girl is such a peanut. You're such a peanut. Marcy, are you happy? Oh, okay. Look in the camera. Uh-oh. Marcy, are you happy? Marcy! Are you happy, girl? Yes, I'm so happy and so lovable. Squeaky? Look how pretty she is. Good girl. Ready? 1, 2, go get it. Yay! Great dog. Great with other dogs. Marcy loves other dogs. You know she loves toys. She loves to play. She loves to be pet. Yeah. She's silly. Silly Marcy. Alright, Marcy, one more time. One more time, okay? Let's show the camera. Let's show the camera. Drop it. Come here. No, come here. Shh. Wait. Wait. Less excited. One more time. She's so cute. Say, come adopt me. Here you go. I made her wait too long, so she's gonna take the toy instead. Here you go. Look, there's the cheese. There's the cheese. You good girl? Good girl.